my name is Lucia Saldivar, and I just graduated from the UC Davis Sacramento part-time MBA program. While in the program, I was promoted twice, and now I get to serve as Chief of Staff for Assemblymember Lisa Calderon.
Hi, my name is Brandon Lee. I'm part of the UC Davis Sacramento MBA part-time program, and currently when I came in, I was a financial advisor consultant and changed over to a business intelligence consultant focusing on data analytics and data science.
My name is Marcos Contreras, and I just graduated from the UC Davis Sacramento part-time MBA program. I'm going to continue on as Director of Pharmacy at the UC Davis Veterinary Medical Teaching Hospital. It was a promotion that I gained during the program that I considered on-the-job training with my education.
I'm Stephanie Ald, and I have just graduated from the UC Davis Sacramento part-time MBA program. I have been promoted to Senior Vice President at Avantis, which is a clean energy market leader in solar and storage technology.
Hi, I'm Alice Vega. I'm graduating from UC Davis, specifically the Sacramento part-time MBA. And I'm excited to announce that I got a new position as a senior accountant for Culture Biosciences in South San Francisco.